Let's read some sentenences together. Remember, sentences are groups of words that convey a meaning, and they have a noun, that's a person, place, or thing, and a verb, that's an action word. Let's look at these three pictures. Can you find which one this sentence goes with? What does this sentence say? Yeah, sound it out. The man has a big hat. The man has a big hat. Which picture does that go with? That's right, let's put it there. Let's try with some different pictures. I have some different pictures this time. Let's find where this sentence belongs. What does this say? Sound it out. Dad as a red van. Dad has a red van. Where does that go? Yeah, it goes right there. Let's try with some different pictures this time. Take a look at these three pictures. Can you find where this sentence belongs? Sound it out. Sam has a red pen. Sam has a red pen. What picture looks like that? Sam has a red pen. That's right, we'll put it there. Let's try with some different pictures. Take a look at these three pictures. Can you find where this sentence belongs? What does this say? Yeah, sound it out. The tan mug is hot. The tan mug is hot. Where does that belong? That's right, we'll put it there. Thanks for reading these sentences with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye!